Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Redesign. So before we get started on this video, please hit the subscribe button. So if you want to know how I got this mermaid look by Color Masters, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this mermaid blue shimmery eyeshadow look that I did the other day. I did a video on it, but I didn't post it because I thought it was CoverGirl, and it is Color Master. So I got it from a family member. I don't know where they got it. I think they would have got it at the Dollar Tree store. I'm not sure where they got it because they live in California. So let's get started. I am going to use my concealer brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to start with my base color by Wet and Wild, and I'm just going to open it up, and I use my Real Technique concealer brush as an eyeshadow brush too. So I am going to start with this beige color like I always do. This is my go-to palette for base colors. And this palette is by Wet and Wild. And then I'm going to take this dark brown one right here. I already got some on there. And use this one. Put it on just like that again. And then I'm going to use this tan one up here on the top, just like that. And then I'm going to take this pinkish salmon color, light salmon, I think. I don't know what it's called, but it's my favorite one. Do it again. And I'm done with my base coat. I already put all my foundation on before I started the video, so I didn't have to bore you guys with that. So now I am going to use this e.l.f. palette like I always do. It has like basically nude colors, but with shimmery. Oops, that one keeps falling out. I don't know why. Maybe because it's getting old. I got this from a friend as a gift. They picked it up at TJ Maxx. So I'm just going to start with this pink one. And I'm going to go like this on the eye. I'm running out of this one. I saw it at Target for like $10. So now I'm going to use, I don't know if you can see because the mirror might be shining. This one right here on my eye. Do it again. And then I'm going to use, I think that's, this darker shimmery pink one. And I'm just gonna go like this. My eye. Oops. Do it again. On the same one. So, and now I'm going to use this color mate. This is kind of like how I get the mermaid look. And it came off, but that's what it looks like. And basically I'm going to use like 3 or 4 colors out of this palette. So there, I'm going to take my Real Technique brush, and I'm going to use this navy shimmery color first. like that. Blue. Just rub it on my eye. Just like that. See how dark it is? And when I'm done with the video, I will insert all the products I used for this makeup eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to take this teal one. I don't know if you can see. Sorry. This teal one. Go like this. And just rub it on my eye. Just like that. See how it's coming together? Usually, sometimes, a lot of times, as you know, in previous videos, I have used my finger for the eyeshadow to put on. I got it in my eyebrow somehow. I don't know how. I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to make it pop. Now I'm going to use this silver shimmery color. I'm going to try it with my finger. So I'm just going to take my finger and go like this, rub it. See how like pretty it is? I'm just going to put it on my eye. Just like that. Sorry, if I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror to make sure I got it right. Then I'm going to do it again on this side. And there you have it. And then what next? I'm going to use this MAC Shimmery Purple. Actually, I'm going to use this hard candy really quick to get the eyeshadow off my eyes. Oh, I might have to come back. Okay, so I'm back now. I think that I made it worse in the corner, but it's okay. If that happens, you can try to fix it. I am not going to fix it because I tried and I accidentally wiped some off. So I had to add some more eyeshadow when I was off camera. So, and I just did the same colors as what I was showing you. So now I'm going to take this like little MAC makeup that I always use. And I'm just going to take my finger again, rub it like this, and see how gold pink it is, or plum, or whatever. I'm just going to add it to give it some more sparkle. And there you have it. So now I am going to use my mascara by Maybelline The Great Lash. I'm just going to open it up. I picked it up at Target for $4.49. I did a video on that. If you want to hop on over there and check it out, it's pretty good. I've gotten a lot of views on it, and I'm really, really close to 10,000 views. So please help me out and view the videos. Please also like the videos too. So let's see. So I'm just gonna go like this. Go up like that. See? I have really long eyelashes. They are not fake. They are real. Now I'm gonna, oh, I got some on my nose. So now I'm going to do So now I'm going to go off camera for like a minute or two and fix my nose and come back with the end result and tell you what I think of this look. Hey guys, so I'm back and I fixed my nose. I'm back with the end result. So this is the eyeshadow look I did with Color Masters eyeshadow to get the mermaid look. I don't know if you can tell, but it's shimmery. I really like it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you really like it. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.